Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about class 7th science chapter 5 food safety. Heading. Let's recall. Complete the following chart with the correct information. Chart headings. Serial number, food or source, nutrients obtained and functions in body. Under serial number 1, we have food source, jowar, wheat, millet, bracket opens, bajra, bracket closed, rice. Under serial number 2, we have food, source, beans and pulses. Under serial number 3, we have food or source as oil, ghee, etc. And we have fourth as fruits and vegetables. All constituents of food, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fiber and water are necessary for the proper growth of the body. We get these nutrients from food material like wheat, jowar, pulses, rice, vegetables, fruits, etc. However, what will happen if these foods are infested by insects or spoiled in any way? Heading: Food spoilage. Subheading: Factors responsible for food spoilage. Sometimes fruits or their skins turn black. Some foodstuffs give out a foul or bad odor. Such foodstuffs are not suitable for us to eat. Sometimes naturally available food materials are spoiled by wrong handling, as when they are overcooked or improperly stored. Stay in a damp place. In such cases, the quality of food material deteriorates. They may also be spoiled during transportation. Can you give more such examples of food spoilage? Box. The foodstuff we consume, whether of plant or animal source, must be of the best quality. Otherwise, we may fall prey to disease or illness. Food is said to be spoiled if there is a change in its color, odor, texture, quality, taste, and there is a loss of nutrient content. Heading: Observe and discuss. On a day out with our friends or family, we enjoy mouth-watering dishes like pani puri, sev puri, pav bhaji, vada pav, pizzas, burgers. But have you ever given a thought to how or where they were made? Were they displayed and served hygienically? What was the source of water used for preparing them? Discuss all these matters with your science teacher. Heading: Observe. Which fruit in the picture appear to be good to eat? Why? Various kinds of changes occur in food materials. For example, fruits turn black or change taste. Meat becomes sour or peanuts become rancid. All these changes occur due to factors within the food material. Often, food grains, etc., produced in farms are damaged due to various reasons like improper handling, improper storage, improper transportation, etc. Some foodstuffs like meat and milk are either acidic or alkaline. They may get spoiled due to chemical reactions on contact with the metals. Sometimes foodstuffs may be spoiled due to contamination by microorganisms or insects from the surrounding air, water or soil. Can you give some other examples of factors that can cause spoilage of food? Heading: Food wastage. Can you tell how and where food is wasted? With the help of science and technology, India has shown great progress in the production of various foodstuffs like cereals, fruits, vegetables, fish, as well as milk and milk products. Even so, many people in our country and all over the world face the problem of hunger. Many do not even get to eat even one meal a day. Hence, it is our duty to prevent wastage of food wherever it takes place. Subheading: Quantitative wastage of food. Wrong methods of farming, like hand sowing of seeds, inadequate threshing, improper storage, and wrong methods of distribution, are some reasons for quantitative wastage of food. Besides, much food is wasted as a result of custom of offering and serving too much food to guests at traditional feasts or banquets. Had it not been wasted, all this food could have met the need for others. Qualitative wastage of food. Using wrong methods of protecting food, excessive use of food preservatives, overcooking, washing the vegetables after cutting them, mishandling of fruits like grapes and mangoes, miscalculation of time required to transport food from producers to consumers are some of the cause of qualitative wastage of food. Box. What can you do to prevent food wastage and spoilage? 1. Serve yourself only as much as you can eat. 2. Avoid overcooking food. 3. Avoid throwing away leftover food. Reuse in a proper way. 4th. Buy only as much grain, vegetables, fruits, milk, etc. as you need. Avoid the temptation to make excessive purchases. 5th. Store grains and perishable foodstuffs like vegetables, fruits, milk, etc. using proper method. 6th. Check the expiry date of bottled, canned, packed food and use within that time. 7th. Eat all the food that you have served yourself. Heading. Observe and discuss. What can we do to avoid use of rice grains as akshata and to prevent wastage of food during wedding feasts? Box. 16th October, World Food Day. To work towards food security and avoid food wastage. Box. Heading. National institutions. Subheading. Food and Drug Administration. This is a government organization that controls production and distribution of food and drugs by their standardization. Food Safety and Standardization Authority of India (bracket open) FSSAI (bracket close) has been established as per the Food Safety and Standardization Act 2006. Web address www.fssai.gov.in, www.fda.maharashtra.gov.in. Heading. Food storage and preservation. We have learned about various methods of safe storage of food like freezing, drying, boiling, airtight packing, etc. These different methods prevent the growth of microorganisms in food and thereby save the food from spoiling. Subheading. Food protection and food preservation. Food protection. Prevention of food spoilage by microbial growth and infestation by pests is called food protection. Food preservation. Use of various preservatives to prevent, for a long period of time, food spoilage due to internal factors is called food preservation. Center circle. Methods of food protection. Box. Heading. Freezing. Biological and chemical reaction in food materials are slowed down at low temperature. As a result, food remains in good condition for a longer duration. That is why refrigerators are used in kitchen. Box. Heading. Smoking. Food is preserved with the help of smoke. Aluminium phosphide is used in this method. Box. Heading. Use of insecticides. Malathion is sprayed on the gunny bags containing food grains. Box. Heading. Irradiation. In this method, the food is exposed to ionizing radiation such as high energy electrons emitted by accelerators, X-rays, gamma rays emitted by radioactive isotopes, etc. This process destroys the microbes, insects, etc. Shelf life of food increases due to increase in ripening period. The shelf life of potatoes and onions increase due to slowed down sprouting. Box. Pasteurization. This method involves heating the milk or other similar foodstuffs up to a certain temperature, that is, milk at 80 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and cooling it quickly. This destroys the microbes present in the milk and it keeps for a longer duration. Box heading. Use of preservation. Subheading. Natural preservatives. Some naturally available materials like salt, sugar, oil are used in preservation in pickles, jams, murabba, peta, etc. Subheading. Chemical preservative. Acetic acid, bracket open, vinegar, bracket close. Citric acid, sodium benzoate and some nitrite and nitrate salts are example of chemical preservatives. They are used in sauces, jellies, jams and in packaged ready to cook vegetables and ready to eat foods, etc. These preservatives keep the food safe for a very long duration. Box heading. Use of inert gas. Nitrogen gas is filled in airtight packets of potato wafers and other food products, thus preventing the growth of fungus and insects in them. Box heading. Do you know? In Maharashtra, irradiation plants have been installed at Lasalgaon for onions and potatoes and at Navi Mumbai for spice and condiments. Box heading. Great scientists. The microbiologist Louis Pasteur developed the technique of preserving the quality of food by raising its temperature to prevent microbial growth in the food. Heading. Let's recall what is meant by the adulteration of food. Complete the following table. Table headings. Serial number, foodstuff, adulterant. Serial number 1, milk. Serial number 1, foodstuff, milk. Serial number 2, foodstuff, red chili powder. Serial number 3, adulterant, seeds of papaya. Serial number 4, foodstuff, ice cream. The health of all people, young and old, poor or rich, is endangered by food adulteration. Different types of adulterants affects our health in different ways. Some adulterants cause abdominal discomfort or poisoning, while some may affect the functioning of some organs if consumed over a long period, or even cancer. Box heading. Food is adulterated in this way too. 1. Removal of some important components of food. Example, removal of fat content of milk, essence of cloves, cardamoms, etc. 2. Mixing of a low quality, inedible or cheaper material or a harmful color with food. 3. Mixing of some harmful materials from small stones, fine sand, iron fillings, urea, dung of horse, sawdust, etc. Box heading. Think a little. Each one of us should think about what we eat every day and about the nutritive value and the quality of food we eat. Heading. How will you find out if the food has been adulterated? The various headings are food material, adulterant, test, conclusion. Food material, milk. Adulterant, water. Test, pour a drop of milk on a glass slide and slightly incline it to spread the drop. Conclusion. If the spread mark of the milk does not appear milky white, water must have been added to it. Food material, red chili powder. Adulterant, brick dust. Test. Take a spoonful of chili powder in a beaker, add water up to half of the beaker, Stir it and leave it undisturbed for a few minutes. Conclusion. If a red layer is seen settled at the bottom of the beaker, it must have been adulterated with brick dust. Food material: turmeric powder. Adulterant: metanyl yellow. Test: take a few pinch of turmeric in a test tube, add a small quantity of water to it, shake the mixture, add a few drops of concentrated HCl. Conclusion: the mixture becomes red on addition of concentrated HCl, and the red color does not disappear if metanyl yellow is present. Food material: rava. Adulterant: fine iron fillings. Test: pass a magnet through the rava. Conclusions: iron fillings adhere to the magnet. Heading: My friend, the internet. Watch the YouTube videos about food adulteration on www.youtube.com and make an identification kit for detecting food adulteration. Heading: Books, my friends. Collect books which give you more information about food adulteration. Read and try to identify the food adulteration. Box. Heading: Do you know? In 1954, Parliament passed the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act. It has been amended from time to time, and the amendment of 1976 provides for life imprisonment for person involved in adulterating food with a harmful substance. There are clear directions that food should be properly stored. Packing material should not endanger the safety for food or medicines, and there should clear and legible information on it about the manufacturing date, expiry date, and instructions for storage. Box. Heading: Always remember: 1. Some chemicals are injected into fruits to make them more attractive and tasty. 2. Milk vendors add urea to the milk so that it appears to have higher fat content. 3. Shopkeepers change the expiry date of the food packet and airtight containers to avoid a financial loss. 4th, calcium carbide and some other chemicals are used to make fruits look more attractive. Example: bright yellow bananas. 5th, frequently harmful chemicals like carbonated soda, phosphoric acid, etc. are mixed with the cold drink. Thank you.